Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we have sy, s squared, y squared. They are degree number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First, the derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v in here. So I will put this one going here, here, and here. This one we change by this one. So this one we have vs squared. This one we have vs squared. This one we have v squared s squared. Later that, we simplify s squared for the both sides. Next, I will put v go to the right and we divide both sides by negative of 1 plus v squared in here. Because we put this one go to the right, we have negative v, negative divided by negative, that's why we have positive. About v, I will put on the right. Next, we do common denominator. Now, we need to expand. So, v minus v we cancel. Negative, we put this one. So, I will put this one go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we have negative, negative. I will put this one go to the right. Now, I will concentrate about this one only. Next, this one I can put into v squared v plus 1. Because I can do about factorization by v squared in here. Next, we need to do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over v squared, capital B over v, and capital C over v plus 1. Now, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about v plus 1. So capital A will multiply by v plus 1. About this one, it is missing about v and v plus 1. So capital B multiply by v and v plus 1. About this one, it is missing about v square. So capital C multiply by v square. And now we put this one go in here. Next, we need to expand this one. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of v. About v square, we have b plus c. About v, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have 8. Now, we need to compare coefficients. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about number 1. So we have v square in here. B plus c equals to number 1. A plus b equals to number 1. And a equals to number 1. Now, we create the system of equations. So, b plus c equals to number 1. A plus b equals to number 1. A equals to number 1. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So, A equals to number 1. B equals to number 0, C equals to number 1. And now we put ABC go back in here. So A equals to number 1, B equals to number 0, C equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. Now we need to go back in here. So this one that is about this one. This one that is about ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now I will put this one go in here and here. Next, we have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to negative number 1. If we look carefully about this one, we cannot put s equal to number 0 in here. Similar for this one. So that means there is no solution. And now I just put back this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.